Hello, YouTube. Psychics often use the mineral as a conductor between energies. With its help, they make contacts with parallel worlds and spirits. There is actually factual evidence that Phenakite really helps to develop the psychic abilities of its owner, and therefore it is considered by many who are in this field to be a powerful talisman for magicians and mediums, sorcerers, clairvoyants, and other people with unusual flair and intuition. Scientists say that there are many examples when, with the help of phenakite crystals, even an ordinary person opened a so-called third eye and had the opportunity to predict the future. This information comes from Russia. And again, I find it very interesting. This is a rare ash-colored mineral with unique energy and alleged magical secrets. Phenakite was discovered by Russian master stonecutter Yakov Vasilievich Kakovin in the middle Ural Mountains at the beginning of the 19th century, and the mineral was immediately named kokovanite. A full professional description of the chemical composition and physical properties of phenakite was made by the Swedish scientist Nordenskjöld in the year 1833. The name of the mineral comes from the Greek word I show, I display, I deceive, and it is believed that it came about because of its similarity to quartz. The mineral is subtly similar to smoky quartz and has some mystical properties similar to it. Phenakite is a mineral of the silicate class, beryllium silicate. Natural phenakite is colorless. However, you can find varieties of it that have ashy, pale, greenish, yellowish, pinkish shades, and even a thick tea color. The color of the gem is very unstable, and under the influence of ultraviolet rays, it gradually disappears. So the samples should not be left in the open sun, so as not to destroy the timid flashes of color. The crystals of the stone are often colored unevenly. It seems that an unknown artist has only lightly touched them with a magic brush. In nature, phenakite forms short columnar, rhodohedral, and long prismatic crystals with a large number of facets. Usually their size does not exceed several centimeters, but scientists have recorded samples reaching 10 to 20 centimeters in diameter. The mysterious and unusual mineral is also born in the form of druses, brushes, hexagonal and needle-like aggregates, spherulites, and powders. Phenakite hardness on the Mohs scale is 7.5 to 8. Brittleness is high. Cleavage is imperfect. The gloss is like glass. The fracture is cancellous, transparent, translucent. For gem purposes, the stone is cut in the brilliant form, of which there are two fine examples weighing 34 and 43 carats in the British Museum. So if you have a chance to be there, definitely visit those two stones. The indices of refraction are higher than those of quartz, beryl, or topaz. A faceted phenakite is consequently rather brilliant and maybe sometimes mistaken for diamond. Phenakite luminescence is turquoise blue in cathode rays, bluish violet in ultraviolet rays. It doesn't melt and does not decompose by acids. Satellite minerals would be chrysoberyl, beryl, emerald, alexandrite, topaz, feldspar, mica, fluorite, quartz, bertrandite. Phenakite is of post-magmatic origin and occurs in gneissenite, mica schists, alpine veins, hydrothermal metasomatic formations, and granite pegmatites. Deposits of the mineral are known to be in Brazil, the USA, Sri Lanka, Tanzania, Namibia, Zimbabwe, Madagascar, Austria, Norway, France, Switzerland, Italy, the Czech Republic, Myanmar, Kazakhstan, and Ukraine. In Russia, in the Middle Urals, north of the city of Asbest, there are the largest and most famous deposits of phenakite of decent jewelry quality. Here, in the deposits of dark biotite mica, phenakite is often accompanied by the precious emeralds, beryl, and alexandrites, chrysoberyl. In addition, phenakite finds in Russia are known to be in Buryatia, Primoria, and Transbaikalia, which I find to be of significance. If you follow my videos about Buryatia, Lake Baikal, Primoria meaning the maritime province, the far east of Russia, and so forth. Phenakite application. Transparent and defect-free crystals are faceted and used in jewelry as inserts in jewelry pieces, and in some cases used as imitations for diamonds. In order to refine phenakite, it is sometimes subjected to gamma radiation, which gives the mineral a yellowish-brown color. The production of synthetic phenakite has been mastered in Russia. Well-formed crystals of unusual color are of great interest to collectors. Lithotherapists claim that the gemstone enhances immunity, strengthens the will and desire to achieve goals. It is necessary for those who do not know how to make decisions on their own and are too suspicious. It has the power to change a person's life for the better, according to the experts who deal with such matters. I will bring you more stories about precious gems, about unusual gems, of course about geology too, from the paranormal angle, definitely. But I take such matters seriously, and I've already told you about some of the very interesting gems and minerals before, and will continue to do so. If you like my research, please support in the links you find in the description to this video. Please sign up for my channel and please like my videos. Thank you for your attention to my work.